Today I am going to fix the broken jack of 3.5 mm wired JBL earphone. Model is T110. You can see the JBL logo here, and the cable is disconnected from this point. It is completely broken. Now I am going to cut this jack and remove the rubber housing. Then I will resolder the cables back to this pin and put back the same rubber housing. This rubber housing I will put back here again. So let's start the video. Now I am going to cut this cable from this point. Now I will keep this aside as of now. Now I am going to remove this rubber by using this tool. I have customly made this one, grinding this screwdriver, which is very flat and sharp. You can see. Now I have removed this housing from this jack. Now I will trim all this plastic over here. Then we will cut the wire of the earphone and resolder here. Now I have removed this molded plastic from the back side. So there are 4 connecting pins, 1, 2, then third one and fourth one. So I will show you the diagram how to connect the cable. There are 4 wires inside that cable in 4 colors. One will go to mic, which is white color. Here it will go first pin. Then the second pin is common. The common will come for mic and red green. There is 2 cables that we have to connect in the second pin, and the third pin is red color and the fourth pin is green color. Now I will keep this. Now I have taken the cable to cut. Before cutting, I will insert this housing in this. Now I will insert this rubber housing inside this cable. Push back to work comfortably. Then I will cut this cable approximately here to the length of this and little bit more. So I have trimmed out the plastic cover. Now the cable is visible. So this red is left side, green is right side, the white color is mic, and the blue and this copper color is neutral, that is common, minus. So what I am going to do is I will short these 2, blue and copper color. Mixing this. So there is 4 wires now. One will go to mic, then it will go to common, red will go to left, green will go to right. We have to connect this cable, 4 cables to these 4 connectors. Now I am going to solder that. Now before connecting the jack, I will put this heat shrink inside this cable. Now I will connect this jack with this pin. First one is mic, and the blue and copper is common. The second one, third one is red, and the fourth one is green. The last here it is green. So I have connected all the 4 cables to this jack. I have tested already, it is working fine. Now I am going to insert this heat shrink over here. Now I will put epoxy in this gap. For that I have already kept this resin A and B. Now I will mix this. Now I will fill this epoxy inside this gap. Done. Let us wait for 5 minutes to dry this up. Now it is partially hardened. I will mildly heat this heat shrink so that this housing will go inside this. Now this part is completely dried. Now I am going to apply a little bit of epoxy here to fix this housing back to the place. So I have taken little bit of epoxy A and B. Now I will apply this epoxy resin to this heat shrink. That's it. Now I am putting this back to the place. Now I will clean it up, this excess glue. Now this is fixed properly. We have to hold it for some time so that epoxy will fix. Then I think this is fine. Now you can see how it looks. It looks this is never removed and fixed. I hope you can see. Now it's time for checking the earphones. I will show you the working functionality through my mic. Now I have connected the earphones to this mobile. Now I will check these earphones through my mic. Let me play the song. So this is the right earphone. Now I will take this left earphone. Now I will show the play pause button also. You can see the display in the mobile. It is turned pause. Now it is playing back. Now again it is pausing. So all the functionalities are working perfectly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment in the below. Thanks for watching. Bye.